Hi friends, this is the smoky eye makeup look that has been requested a lot recently. So here it is, and before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Now I'm priming my face with the FARSÁLI Unicorn Essence Drops, and I've been using this a lot, as you all know. It moisturizes my skin really well. And now I'm going in with the Dior foundation in the shade 20. This is an amazing foundation, my go-to foundation for like everyday makeup. I'm applying it on my face with a damp beauty blender, and once that's done, the next step is the concealer. I'm using the Amazing Cosmetics Amazing Concealer, and I'm applying it under my eyes. And this actually, you need just a few drops. Maybe I applied more than a few drops here, but yeah, you don't need too much. And once I've blended this with the damp beauty blender, I'm gonna apply just a teeny tiny bit just over the jawline as well. Now I'm taking the Mercier translucent powder and baking my under eye area, leaving some extra for baking as well. Now I'm going in with my kkwbeauty contour palette, and I'm using this shade to contour my face. I'm applying it under the cheekbones, on my jawline, or the forehead, and I'm also contouring my nose using the same powder. I'm using a Real Techniques brush here, by the way, and I'm using the translucent powder to clean these contour lines now. And yeah, just leaving some extra for baking. And I'm applying the primer on my eyelids. This is the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, I'm gonna take this shade, Raw Sienna, and I'm gonna apply it as a transition shade just over and around the crease area. The brush I'm using is the Morphe E27 brush, and this is like my go-to brush for crease, like transition shade application. Now I'm going in with this shade, Antique Bronze, and I'm gonna apply it just inside the crease so that that area is further deepened. As you can see, it's just giving a deeper effect to my crease. Now taking the same E27 brush, I'm just gonna soften the edges. Taking the Sigma Wicked Gel Liner, I'm gonna take some of that. You've gotta start with a little amount first. And I'm gonna apply it on my eyelids. Now, you have to remember this is not really very blendable. You just have to really apply it to the lid. And then with this brush, I'm just softening the edges. So basically not blending it, which is not even possible with this, but just softening the edges here. Once I've done just enough, I'm gonna go in with the Smoky Obsessions palette by Huda Beauty and take this blackest black shade from this palette. I'm gonna apply it just on that area where the Sigma gel liner ended. So this is how I'm gonna smoke this out. First, I'm gonna deepen that boundary for the Sigma gel liner, and then with this same brush, I'm gonna blend it softly towards the eyebrows. Not all the way up, but softly I'm gonna take it up, and you can see it's gonna slowly give that smoky effect. So yeah, for me, if I'm going for like a dark smoky eye look, just a gel liner is not enough. I've applied the Huda Beauty lashes in Farah, and now I'm just filling in my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills browwiz. This is in the shade medium brown. I'm taking that black shade from the Smoky Obsessions palette again, and I'm applying it under my lower lash line. The brush I'm using is the Sephora Pro Shader brush number 18. Now I'm using the same thin blending brush, the Morphe M507, and I'm just smoking this a little. So we don't want any harsh line underneath the eye. It has to give that smoky effect. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild kohl pencil on my waterline and just darkening the eyes a little bit. This excess powder, I'm just brushing it off with a clean brush. And also buffing that powder on my face, especially around the contour area. I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush kit. This is the blush kit Radiant, and I'm taking the shade Spoiled and applying it to my cheeks. This is the Sephora brush number 91, but you can just use any blush brush for this. Now, this is my most favorite part. This is Anastasia amrezy highlighter, and oh my god, this is amazing. Like, you can just tell there's no filter on my videos. So like, you can tell how blinding this is. I applied it on my cheekbones, on the chin, on the forehead, also on my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. Just softening the edge there a bit. Now I'm using the Badgal mascara by Benefit Cosmetics and applying it just to the base of the lashes so that they blend in well with the falsies. Using the Smashbox lip liner. This is the Always Sharp lip liner in the shade Safe Word. After that, I'm going in with the Tarte lip paint in the shade Birthday Suit. Yes, that's the one that you get free on your birthday from Sephora, and that's how I got it too. But yeah, so it's really nice. Now I'm applying the highlighter on the nose of my bridge and also the cupid bow and the inner corner of my eye, which I missed previously. So this is the completed makeup look. I hope you like it. I actually know that you do like it because it was requested a lot, and it's actually very easy to do. It looks like it's a lot of work, but as you saw, that it's not as complicated as it seems. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, hit that like button, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. I'm going to be leaving all the product details in the description box, so do check that out. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be leaving my social media links in the description box as well, so you can follow me there if you like to. So until next time, stay fashionable, stay happy. Bye.